It's a remarkable fact that some of the tiniest creatures can withstand some of the harshest conditions, even the freezing cold temperatures of the winter. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at some of life's most extraordinary creatures and see what they can tell us about aging, about cancer research, and ultimately about survival. Take, for instance, the tardigrade. It's been known to enter into a state called cryptobiosis, where it dehydrates and waits for a time when conditions are more favorable. Let's see if we can find tardigrades, rotifers, hydras. Let's take a look. Here's to life and resilience. Let's take it back to the lab. But you may be asking yourself, what is cryptobiosis? According to Merriam-Webster, cryptobiosis is the reversible cessation of metabolism under extreme environmental conditions, such as low temperature. So in a sense, cryptobiosis is a form of time travel, allowing the organism to leapfrog over environmental changes and emerge unscathed when conditions improve. Everything that you're about to see exists between these two panes of glass, sandwiched on top of each other. And you may think of this tiny gap as just a space between two pieces of glass, but it's teeming with life. Microorganisms like rotifers and hydras and tardigrades are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. And they have an incredible resilience and can survive in the harshest of environments, from the depths of the ocean to the vacuum of space. When we examine these microorganisms under a microscope, we're opening up a window into a world of incredible diversity and complexity. The gap between the microscope slide and the cover may be small, but it is a portal into a universe of microscopic life that is beyond our wildest imaginations. As we study these tiny creatures, we're gaining new insights into the workings of life itself, from aging and cell repair to tissue regeneration. These microorganisms hold the key to unlocking some of the greatest mysteries of our world. So the next time you look through a microscope, remember that you are exploring a universe of life just as real and just as fascinating as the stars and galaxies just beyond our reach. The gap is 0.17 millimeters. And for reference, if you were to take a hair and take the thickness of the hair and slice it 10 times. Now, 1/7 of those slices is the gap between all that you're about to see. Boggles the imagination. But let's get started. This is rich. Now, the cover slip.